framework about how culture can actually be built within an institute, within an organization. Thank you so very much. I would now like to call on the podium Mr. Sudhanshu Mishra of IBM to share his thoughts with us, please.
Good afternoon. I think it will be a difficult task for me to maintain this rhythm. Mr. Chaturvedi has actually made me feel that I'm not a good person to speak in these times. That's so wonderful. Thanks very much. I have got my learnings today. While I thought of presenting something on innovation HR, but while going through this, I thought of changing the topic. It will make it different to speak for me. While going through this innovation thought, I have a small kid of 2 years old. I have observed certain something, with him last 6 months. If you take a bottle, try to open it, and he could never open it. Will you believe that he must have tried 200 times just to open it? Never got bored of it. And at the end, maybe after 1,000 times, he could open it. And that is where I thought it is so wonderful to learn from children, because they have interest to achieve. And the moment you have interest to achieve, there is no barriers. The moment you have interest to achieve, actually bring this topic, because all of you where I see my growth there is maybe 10 years back or 15 years back when I was in the institute. I was looking at, these people have achieved a lot. But to be honest with you, the moment I look at you, I feel that we have not achieved anything. 200 people or 150 people here, you have interest to achieve, and there is something which is realistic we are bonded with. The moment you look at realistic and achievement, realistic it for benchmarking. I feel like benchmarking, okay, I will benchmark with somebody. Now Mr. Chaturvedi was saying he was looking at what Nandan with me has looked at, that become a benchmark for us. The moment you have a benchmark, you don't go beyond that. Whereas my son, he don't have any benchmark. He wants to just achieve what he wanted to do. So innovation is just exactly that. And if you look at Thomas Edison, all great inventors in the world, they have just looked at what they want to achieve. No benchmark. If there could be a benchmark, we would not have looked at any electric bulbs now. We would not have chairs, we would not have anything. This mic system, no electricity, nothing. The benchmark will limit, because I will benchmark with, okay, this is the institute, I will benchmark with IIM, IIM will benchmark with Harvard. Then there is no improvement on that. Then there is an end to it. So the moment you look at innovation, go beyond benchmarks. Otherwise, there is no innovation. Now, I want to actually bring this topic to related to your own interests. Now, it is very difficult to understand how this industry is grown up. The moment you go to a hotel, small hotel, and you like the dosa, or you like this, dahi vada, anything you like there, you understand this person who cooks there, he may have learned it from his childhood. Because that is where our culture is come. If you go back to the ancient days, somebody to practice that from the childhood and start earning those kind of, repeatedly he tried to do it something, repeatedly, same thing again and again, and started achieving the perfection of that subject. With the laws, with the legal system, with the kind of the complexity of our own society, which actually, I was slightly connecting to Mr. Chaturvedi. We have started going away from that perfection mindset. Now we have started jumping into MBA. Just imagine, you complete your education in graduation, not knowing what is that subject meant for. How many of us actually can proudly say that, okay, I have learned commerce, that was actually going to be implemented in HR, or that is actually going to get implemented in marketing? Nothing. Similar methods, no use of it. Science, no use of it. We are not aware of what is the subject. Whereas when we actually come out flying with a graduation degree, you ask your parents, The moment they were graduates, they have to